Meaning of French polish.
French polish.
French polish.
French polish.
French polish. French polish is a technique used to give wood furniture a high-gloss, luxurious finish. It involves applying multiple thin layers of shellac or lacquer with a pad made of cloth or cotton. Each layer is carefully buffed and smoothed with pumice or rhinestone to create a glass-like surface. This labor-intensive process can take several days to complete and requires great skill and attention to detail. The result is a deep, lustrous shine that enhances the natural grain and beauty of the wood, making it look rich and elegant.